Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create a Google form very easily. Okay, see here, this is the example Google form I have created. In this example, I took something like there is an internal exam going on for students, and if you're a teacher or something, you can create an internal exam Google form. See, this is the Google form, and you can create one like this: name of the student, about yourself of the student, gender. There is a essay, like there's the picnic image. The student should write an essay for this, something like this. Okay, you can click on next. So how you can create a Google form like this? It is very simple. First thing you can do is browse through google.com on your browser, search for Google Forms. Okay, Google Forms, and remember, this is the not the URL, and this is the URL, docs.google.com/forms. Okay, click on this, and you will see a page like this, and you can choose a blank document. Click on blank form. Now I'll show you the step-by-step creation of this Google form. So as I said, you need to give the title for the form, internal exam or something like that. Whatever, what is your actual requirement, you can write the short description for this uh, exam or something like that. And see here, now you can start giving the questions. So as in the example I said, the first thing is you can ask for the name. See here, this is the option where you can choose what type of question is this. So for name, the short answer would be fine, so I'll keep short answer. And you can click on this plus symbol to add another question. You can say something like write about yourself or tell me about yourself, and this would be a little bit more, so you can choose paragraph here. So yeah, and by default this option will be disabled. You can keep it to enable, so that this will be a required question. You will get a star mark, means mandatory. So I just kept in the settings section at the bottom. I said question defaults. I made it make questions required by default for, so for every question this is automatically enabled. So I want every question to be answered, so I gave something like add another question. Okay, not only you can type the text here, but also you can give images here. For example, I'll choose an upload image. I'll upload image from my computer, browse. So I have a picture called picture. So in the assignment, what I'll give is write an essay on this one, paragraph you can say. So students need to answer about this picture here, and click on add an another question. Now if I give something like gender, I'll keep check boxes here. I'll use check boxes option, and I'll just mention like option 1 as male, option 2 as female. Simple. Likewise, you can click on add a question and choose the type of the question, drop down check boxes, paragraph or file upload. You can use these options and create a question. So what if you are done with this section, and if you want another section add, you can use this option, click on add a new section. See here, for this section you can name a different name, maybe. Now you can say something like choose the best, and now you can add a question like multiple choice questions. For example, what is the capital of India? Option 1 you can give something like option 2. You can give the sections, and you can, yeah, done. Once you're done, you can customize the theme, something like you can change the font or you can choose a header image as I already kept one. So it will, the Google form looks a bit attractive and a bit professional also. So you can close this. If you want to observe the changes, you can click on this eye symbol, see here, eye symbol, and this is how your form looks. Okay, you can just create of your own choice, and once you're done you can click on send to the students via email. For example, there are 10 students you want to send this form to. Enter all those 10 students emails, divided by comma at the rate of gmail.com, something like gmail.com. Okay, you can, yes, another email, and yeah, scroll down, you can click on send. So they will be able to receive a form like this, and then they will enter something like this and they will submit, and you can check the responses for this particular Google form. You will see it here. So this is how you can create a Google form, and this is the complete tutorial. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.